Okay, this task, what we're doing is updating the vendor partner page, and what I've done so far is logged into WordPress, and then I clicked on pages, and then in the search dialog box I wrote the word vendor, and we came to this page, hit edit. So the first thing I'd recommend is just go ahead and Control A, Control C, copy, select all and copy. Go to your edit program. Typically on Windows it's going to be Notepad, or here it's text edit. And the first thing I'm going to do is add the new, if it applies, the new classification, which is cosmetic. Let's talk a little bit about that. We're adding Leslie Hassler and Tom Scanlon. And Tom Scanlon and Leslie Hassler are in the cosmetic section. Now, how do I know it's cosmetic? What it corresponds to. What we're doing here is MRT. Under real estate, so we're adding them, their cosmetic translates to cosmetic. Okay, the rest will be probably translated to services or something like that. So, okie doke. All right, so let's jump back here to the taxonomy. We're doing the edit piece right there. Okay, so the first thing is I created a new navigation tab. Okay. The next thing you do is under pane. Since this is create a group, you're going to copy between here and the end of the message. You're going to create a pane. You can see that pane right there. And then you go all the way down to end of partner copy. Okay. I think, actually this is incorrect. I'll fix that for a second. Okay. So this is where we're going to copy from there to there, between those two sections. See the top part of that section here, and then the end of the partner copy. Okay, so I repaste it. So the first part is financing, corresponding to this financing here. The next one's real estate cosmetics. So I'm going to go down to the second financing, and I'm going to change it to real estate cosmetic. Okay. And then I'm just going to edit. Leslie Hassler, luxury for the home. Okay. Go to Hassler, luxury for the home. Copy her phone number. Pop it here. Copy her address. 77027. Fantastic. And then copy her email address. You're going to copy it twice, once for the actual code when they click on it, and this is for the display. And then also what we're going to do here, luxury for the home, we're going to go ahead and copy it for the website. Now she is a preferred vendor, she's on that list. Okay, go back over here. He's a preferred vendor too. Vendor partner, vendor preferred. Okay, that's Tom Scanlon. I'm going to make sure Hassler's the same way. Okay. Oh, nope, didn't put her on there as vendor partner, vendor preferred. And eventually I think she'll be a sponsoring partner for one of my marketing programs. So for right now I'm gonna add her. Okay. So go back to the list here. So she's preferred and sponsored. The next person we're gonna work on is Tom Scanlon. And he is Houston Home Staging. Scanlon. And he is Shillington's 450. Okay, and then he is phone number, mobile, and then we're going to change his email address. twice. Okay, 1, and then 2, and then we're gonna change the website, and then make sure it's all tidy, and he's preferred. Very good. And then this last little bit here, that is extra. So there you go. You have the end tags with the slash. This one goes with that one there, and this one UL goes there. So this is the end of the division. Great. Copy the entire thing, and then you're going to go back in and paste it in that section, and then you're going to hit update. Okay. So when you're done, then you're going to hit view page to see if it works, and hopefully it does work. If it doesn't work, no big deal. We can go back and restore it to the previous recent version, because it does version control. It saves all the different previous versions. Okay, so first thing you'll look at is, here's financing. You can see it's broken out. Okay, then cosmetic, yay, broken out. And real estate service broken out. So it actually worked.